What's up, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. Boom. Boom. Let everybody know we live, and then we're gonna rock and roll. So today we don't have a face cam because I'm trying to figure out the actual camera to make it look better. So hopefully over the weekend I can figure it out. And then you guys get some high quality video of me instead of me looking backwards the whole time. Let's see, live. Boom. Posted up on Twitter. Hopefully you guys saw last night's video as well. That's kind of the videos I want to make going forward, is those higher quality, more educational videos. So obviously it's going to be a lot less videos being posted in the future, but I think they're a lot worth my time to make those kind of videos. So what's up? What's up? Who we got in here this morning? Good morning, Perkins, John, JB. Perkins, I'm gonna see you in a week, bro. Steve, Larry, Maria, I think is how you say it, Maria. Daily Trader, Watt, C, I'll just call you C, Razor, Alan, J, John, Larry, and then C again. But yeah, Perkins, I'm gonna be in, I fly in super early to Denver on Friday. I'll be there at like 9 a.m. So I'm hyped for this Team Bull meetup. It's going to be lots of fun. But yeah, how'd you guys do yesterday? Good morning. You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. It's saying no data. You guys still hear me? Okay, we're good. We're good. Excellent connection. Awesome. I'd say we get live for everybody on TikTok. Let's be nice. Let's be nice to TikTok today. I didn't go live yesterday. There we go. I mean, the supply zone smacked yesterday. Smacked. Go live, day trading watches, education, go live. Cool. So, if you guys, you were in here yesterday, hopefully, but if you remember the watch list, what do I have up right now? Right now I have NASDAQ. You can see very high risk supply zone at 17,736 to 17,793.5. We talked about that yesterday in the live stream, but look at where we rejected. Right in that supply zone. Looking at ES, 49.2475. Where did we end up rejecting there? Right in that supply zone. Boom. Right in that supply zone right there. And then we pulled to the downside. So now we're going up and we're actually, it looks like we might test it again. So until we clear this area right here, I am not interested in trying to long ES, right? Maybe like to play it up into the zone, but if we're inside of this zone right here, I do not care about longs until we clear it. That's a huge supply zone. So, alrighty, let's do this. It's 8:08. Check the economic calendar. So we got today PCE at 8:30. So should be a market mover. We shall see. But real quick, we got 200 people in here. If you guys haven't already, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. But let's just go ahead. Let's find some levels and yeah, let's do this. Alrighty. Boom, boom. All right, perfect. Okay. So like I said, if we get up into this zone again, interested in the rejects, I would like to see us potentially test the 1 hour supply at 49.28.25. Now, if PCE makes us clear this level, then obviously I'd like to see more upside. But yeah, this is my main reject, is still up in this zone right here. So 2 hour supply, 1 hour supply. Inside of 1 hour, I believe we also have 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute at the same exact spot, just a little higher. So that's personally what I'm going to watch for a reject. As far as a bounce, I mean, still interested down here at the previous all-time high, 49.48. Or, oh my God, 48.41. 48.41 if we got down there. It's like 4,900's been a pretty big level, but we've already jumped around it a lot. So nothing there. We finally tapped that 4 hour 21 EMA, which we haven't tested since way over here. So that would have been the ideal bounce if I were to be watching one. So unfortunately, that's not in play anymore because we already tested it. Yeah, I mean, if we got down to this 4 hour demand, I'd look for a bounce. But then after that, it's way down at 48.41. So 4 hour demand. Appreciate that, David. Yeah, I got a lot of positive feedback about that video. So if you guys haven't watched that supply and demand video, highly suggest watching it. 4 hour. Boom. We haven't tested it on SPY. All right, we'll take a look at it here in a second. 48825. Come on, there we go. So supply up there, demand down here, bounce here, reject here. Above here, we look for more upside. Pretty plain and simple. But you said we're kind of far away on SPY, so let's see. SPY 4 hour 21. Nope, we tested it. Tested it in the pre-market. So again, same thing. Watch the supply zones. Watch the demand zones. That's really it. SPY demand is down here towards 484.25. Supply is from 487.50 up to 488.77. So I'm just gonna watch the futures levels instead. I don't really use supply and demand on SPY and QQQ. So that's everything on ES and SPY. Got Starbucks today instead of a ghost. NQ came down and tested that demand that we talked about yesterday. So next demand is going to be way down here. And I mean, ideally, if I'm looking for a good bounce, it's going to be way down here, also right at that demand zone. So, I mean, we're super far away from that level. What is that? Like 300 points. I mean, I guess technically we could potentially get down there because of PCE. So we'll keep it there for now, but we did test the 4 hour demand. It made it support. So here is demand. And then I was looking a little bit at NQ in the pre-market. I noticed we have another 1 hour supply zone that formed based off of yesterday's price action. So we tested the 1 hour supply here, and then we formed another set of 1 hour supply right there. So couple different areas that we could end up rejecting today. First one being 1 hour supply that starts here. But also, if we're truly going to downtrend, let's go ahead and mark that right there. If we're truly going to downtrend, then we could potentially use fibs from here to here. So we'll keep that, again, a little messier of a chart. This is just if we really start to pull back today, we break that demand. PCE, if it happens at 8:30, then, or if it breaks levels at 8:30, then we can actually start to, narrow down the levels that we're going to watch. But this is the messy chart for the time being. We'll wait and see what happens after PCE. So that's everything on NQ. It's going to be the same thing on QQQ. So same supply zone. You can use the fibs. That's a misprint. And then we have that same demand zone over here. Cool. Alrighty. No, I was talking about the 4-hour 21 as well on SPY, but we tested it already. That's why I don't use TradingView for charting. Always use Thinkorswim for charting. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, make sure to hit that like button. We got 205 people in here and only 67 likes. So take 2 seconds, hit that like button. You guys get a free watch list. For the people that are watching on TikTok, I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. If you guys would prefer to tap in with more people, make sure to head on over to my YouTube, Brandon Trades, where I'm currently live right now. Plus, I have over 850 plus free videos. Alrighty. So that's everything. QQQ, ES, NQ, SPY. Take a quick look at SPX. 4,900 still being a huge area. So I mean, maybe if we come back up to it today, we can see what happens. Other than that, we don't have any gaps to get filled. Besides like a $3 gap, which isn't of any interest to me. So, yeah, nothing on SPX for me. Let's flip through some individuals, see what we like. Get closer to 8:30. We will narrow the list. Don't you worry, we'll get to those individuals. Gotta run through this watch list. Once we find all the levels I want to watch today, and if we got some free time, I'll look at some of the stocks you guys want. Don't you worry. Pinky promise. As far as Apple, don't care about till 188. AMD. I mean, I would have looked for a fib there to there. Looks like we pretty much already did that retracement. They might just run it up in earnings. So, nothing there for me. Amazon. Also, if anybody caught Google from yesterday's watch list, we talked about it going back to all-time highs. It destroyed all-time highs. Hopefully somebody caught it. I personally didn't. Amazon, they report next week. Just trying to set new 52-week highs in the pre-market. Potentially set up here. Potentially. Not like super crazy about that, but we'll see. Amazon. Boeing. I mean, I'd still be interested at 196. Coin don't care about. Costco don't care about. GLD don't care about. Google. Hit my pullback area that I would have preferred to watch. Technically set a higher low. Kind of has like a little flag here. But nothing on Google from me. IWM. Don't care about Meta. This actually looks really good. I like this Meta. Nice 1 hour squeeze. Kind of got like this little symmetrical triangle going on. So, yeah, Meta. Microsoft. Microsoft hit the bounce I would have preferred to watch. Let's see, what is that? Earnings on Monday, I believe. Monday or Tuesday. Nothing on Microsoft for me. If you want to watch it above 405, you could. But personally, not going to watch that. Netflix, I mean, if you want to watch it, look for the uptrend entry above 566.2. Today we have PCE. PCE. Yeah, look for the uptrend entry above 566.2 if you want to watch that. And again, for the ones that are just spamming stock symbols in the chat, we're going to get to it. Don't you worry. We just got to run through this watch list first to get these levels. Let me find my levels first. Then I got you guys. Don't you worry. I've seen UNH like 8 times today already. We will get to it. I promise. But let's see. Netflix 566.2. NVIDIA. Nothing on NVIDIA that I'm super interested in. PayPal. $59 would have been the level. Was there news with UNH? Hold on. People keep asking about UNH. What's going on? Why is so many people asking about UNH? Oh, why? Just why? What do you guys want from me? UNH, what's up with this? That chart looks awful. I have to wait for that monthly close. But nothing I would trade on UNH. I'll tell you that. Nothing. Okay, now that UNH is out of the way, in the 500 people that asked about it, let's go on over to Roku. Don't care about Roku. I mean, it broke out. Maybe it comes back and it retests the trend line, but personally not interested in that setup. Shopify. And it has like that little wedge. But no, we looked at SPX, we looked at SPY, and then Tesla. Hit 180 yesterday. Tesla actually doesn't look bad for a reject at 187. I do know that the boys were talking about picking up shares at 180. You got demand down there at 174, 165. I'd be interested a little lower for shares for the long term, but 187.32 doesn't look bad or break of this bear flag because Tesla's been weak. So if the market's weak, I'd be interested in trying to short that. So Tesla. Oh, was it 160? I thought they said 180. Either way. But yeah, I like that a lot. Only if the market's weak though. It really depends. Cool. So Amazon, Meta, Tesla. Those are the individuals I like. You pass your funded account, let's go. And then obviously ESNQ. Real quick, if you guys haven't already, 25 likes. Let's see what you guys can do with the likes today. We typically ask 125 for the watch list, but I'll leave it up to you guys. I want to see if you guys can destroy the like button today. So take 2 seconds, hit that like button, and we got 6 minutes until PCE. So in the meantime, yes, we can start looking at some of the stocks that you guys want as long as it is not UNH. Anything but UNH we will look at. Visa reported earnings 265. So we're currently trading at, I mean, this thing has had a massive run. So I think your best bet is to stay very patient with you, or not UNH, Jesus. It's now going to be stuck in my head all day. Your best bet is to stay patient, wait for a pullback to, I'd say that weekly 21, wherever that ends up being, that'll be your first bounce. But then after that, you can watch these retracements right here. Actually, even that previous all-time high lines up with that weekly 21 right now. So I would stay patient and wait for that pullback. Actually, your higher probability area is going to be right here. So personally, what I would be looking for, it does, however, if you can get that pullback, previous all-time high, then you got the fib extensions. Pretty much got up to that 127 extension, that 273. It did actually. It hit it yesterday and very close right there. So yeah, be patient. Wait for that pullback. JP Morgan, unfortunately, I really wanted to get a swing with this. I was looking for the pullback towards 170 yesterday. It bounced at like 170.90, so just like 90 cents short, unfortunately. And I was looking to enter this day right here. It's just we had GDP yesterday, which typically GDP can cause very large aggressive moves. So didn't want to put on the swing, and unfortunately it's going to leave without me. But that's okay. We still banked off of AAP for 103%. And honestly, I'm really liking this daily chart, so I want to see if we can get more. I'm just holding a single contract at this point. See if we get more out of it. But yeah, beautiful move on that. SMCI, we talked about that one a couple months ago. They have earnings, so I mean, I think they just ran it up into earnings and they're going to dump it, but could be wrong. We talked about SMCI like way over here in this area, that weekly squeeze. It was holding weekly structure on that weekly 21 EMA. That's the result of a squeeze firing up. So if you want to watch, I don't know what liquidity's like, but look for the break above that trend line right there. Got 3 minutes until the news, if that's what you want to watch. Boom. All right. We looked at coin, not too interested in that. DWAC. Kind of bull flagging right here. So an area that I would be really interested in would be down at that daily 21 EMA. I don't really know how fibs would work on something like this, but my high probability area is like that 27 area. It is forming a daily bull flag, so maybe if it got that breakout today, you could look to swing. That happens, I might actually look for an equity swing to take it back up into 58.72. See if it potentially hit that 8 EMA. I think it did. Yeah, so it did hold that 8 EMA. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe we take an equity swing on this today. Potentially. What's up, everybody on TikTok? Real quick, everybody that is watching me on TikTok, I do go live every single morning on my YouTube channel. Brandon Trades, over 850 plus free videos. And here's where I am live, right there. So if you guys like free stock market education, definitely make sure to check out the YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Again, 850 plus free videos teaching you on how to trade. So, okay, running out of breath over here. Alrighty.
Thanks for the sub.
Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. 1 minute till PC. All right, we'll take actually 30 seconds. Okay. Let's see what happens. We're about to hit 70K too. We're less than 500 subs away. That's crazy. I appreciate all of you. Good morning. Good morning. Not too interested in that Nvidia Wealth Bros. The main individuals I'm interested in today are Amazon, Meta, and Tesla.
Thanks for the sub.
Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks for the follows on TikTok as well. All right, we got PCE. Let's see how the market reacts. See if we destroy supply. Or if we just go up into it and reject it. Also, I forgot to bring this up earlier. There's this new platform. It's not like the platform itself isn't new. It's like a long-term investing platform, but they just introduced options and they want me to start using the options feature. So they gave it to me before a lot of other people can use it. Like normal people right now, not normal people, but like the public right now can't trade options on it. It's like it's in a beta. So they're having me test it, and they gave me $1,000 account on it just to, say have fun, do whatever with it. It is Friday, and 0DTE SPXs sound pretty tempting if I got a free $1,000 to play around with, So, I might have some fun today. Test out the platform, run a 0DTE SPX, and see what happens. Yeah, you already know, Lotto. You already know. It's cool though because I can't say what the platform is yet, but there's no commissions and you actually get paid 18 cents for every contract you trade. So, I mean, obviously if you're trading one or two contracts, it's not much, but with Thinkorswim, you pay your fees plus the commissions per contract. So it's pretty cool. So if you trade with size, making 18 cents per contract that you trade, seems pretty cool. So I'll play around with it. Yeah, the 0DT SPX, here I come. Next thing I know, I get an email from them. What happened to the money? Oh. Alrighty. I don't think you can trade futures on it yet on that platform. Again, it's mainly just for long-term investments, but they're putting out options. Honestly, I didn't even look at the numbers. I was distracted. Sorry. Let's see. PCE month over month 0.2 versus 0.1. Or 0.1 was the previous estimate, 0.2. So right on the money with the estimate, right above previous. Year over year, 2.9% versus 3.2 previous estimate, 3%. So above or right on the money with the estimate for month over month, below the estimate for year over year. And then personal income 0.3 versus 0.3 estimate 0.3. U.S. personal spending actual 0.7 estimate 0.5. Again, we pretty much came up and tapped that supply zone on ES. Got super close to that 50. I don't believe so. Again, it's a new feature. It's in beta. Alrighty. Yeah, I mean, if we really start pulling, I'll watch way down here. That's my area. Very close to that 50. Cool. Sounds good. Let's do this. Amazon. Amazon's holding up relatively well compared to the market pulling back. So, not bad. I want to say I like that Meta more, though. I say we do Meta and Tesla for
Thanks for the
individuals
sub.
today. Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Cool. Tesla Meta. If the market gets strong, I like Meta. 1 hour squeeze, get above 393.18. Target the trend line around 394 to, let's see, like 394.7 ish, and then 396. All right, so Meta, Tesla, good. Let's get this bad boy typed up. Nope. 8 EMA, 21 EMA intraday trading, and then
Thanks for the
21 and
sub.
34 for swings. Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. All right. Yes. Rejects and supply. Four nine two four seven five. 24933.25. Bounce wherever demand at 488.25 to 4874.25. All right, there's a yes and Q. See if you guys can hit 200 likes today in the YouTube live stream. It's been a minute since we hit that. So if y'all want to run that up, I would appreciate it. Then everybody on TikTok, also make sure you guys are following. Got more people than usual in the TikTok. Usually we have like 7 people. Today we were cranking 40. Crazy. But yeah, I mean, I'll watch supply. Got up there. It's just with NQ. I mean, there's multiple different areas that I have of interest. So I mean, I don't want to have to type all that. I'll post a screenshot of NQ in Team Bull. If you're in the YouTube live stream or you guys are watching on TikTok, just screenshot this chart right here because it's going to be way too many words to try to explain all these levels. They're all important. It's just we got to see which one we react off of. We said Meta, if the market is strong today. How do we know that was supply when we were trading at all-time highs? Because it was a green basing candle before a strong aggressive move down, which as a result is going to leave orders unfilled. And if we go to my watch list yesterday, of course, like it's going to be high risk to take it just because we were in such a strong uptrend. But if we were going to reject at a level, it was that. So you can see yesterday at 8:40 a.m. Eastern time, as you can see down here, it's 8:40 now. Very high risk supply zone on ES, very high risk supply zone NQ. You can see that's exactly where I had it marked. 17,736 up to 17,793.5. And now we have a new one right here on the 1 hour. So That's how we know. It's just, it's going to be a lot higher risk just because of how strong we've been. But yeah, if there was any area we were going to reject, it was that area right there. Meta. The market is strong today. I will be looking. $393.2. It's 1 hour squeeze setup. Tesla. The market is weak. I will look for a downtrend entry. Reject 1 hour 21 EMA or break of 1 hour bear flag or puts. All right, let's get these screenshots. We have a nice 1 hour squeeze on SPY. And then again, if we break above the supply zone, then it's uptrend from there. Like I got no reason to say, hey, we're gonna reject here. So we'll see. Add that to the watch list. Of supply or uptrend entry. All right. Tesla, then we had Meta. Can't believe it just snowed like 5 to 6 inches a week ago, and now it's 60 degrees here. Crazy. Yeah, we're gonna look for that reject. All right, everything I'm watching today. A plus setups. Cool. All right, Team Bull. You got the whole watch list. You got the screenshots. YouTube. Channel members. Watch list for you. Yeah, we got 186 likes in the YouTube. I'll take it. I will take it. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. After I join the Team Bull Zoom. Okay. So, for the watch list, we got ES levels. Give it to you guys on TikTok as well. NQ levels. Again, you can trade SPY and QQQ based off of ES and NQ levels. It's just I'm prioritizing supply and demand today, which I only do on the futures. Meta, if the market's strong. And then Tesla, if the market's weak. Cool. That is everything I am watching for the day. Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Who was it? Renee. Appreciate it. But yeah.
Thanks for the sub.
Any questions you guys got, or is everybody good? Ready to run it up? It's Friday. It's been a beautiful trading week. Don't lose your weekly gains in one day. Right? Use risk management. And yeah, the last thing I want to see, and I hate seeing, is people losing their weekly profits because they did really good Monday through Thursday, and then they got a little greedy on Friday, oversized, and then they lost everything. So yeah, don't be that person. If you had a great week and you destroyed your weekly goal, guess what? Take the day off. You don't have to trade today. But if you do decide to trade and you had an amazing week, size down and go into the weekend on a good note. Use a fraction of your profits. Yeah, JJ, we ready to print, baby. Cool. Oh, let's go wrap it up. I'm gonna hop in the Team Bull Zoom, get ready for the day. Yes, I'm live on TikTok every day, also live on my YouTube channel every single day, Brandon Trades. Make sure you guys check it out. Over 850 plus free videos. And just uploaded a whole supply and demand video yesterday. But live on there every single morning as well. So either or if you like TikTok or YouTube more. But highly suggest you take advantage of all these videos. Highly suggest it. And yeah, other than that, Team Bull is going to be opening up February 4th. So if you guys are not already on the wait list, I highly suggest you take 5 seconds, fill this form out. This is the only way to join the Discord after February 4th. When we send out those emails, as soon as spots fill up, the doors are going to be closed yet again. So everybody on the TikTok, that's the link to fill out the form. You can also fill it out, link in my bio. If that link right there doesn't work, everybody on the YouTube, there's a link right there to join Team Bull. And then one final thing, if you guys did not know, I do have 2 books on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis and The New Age of Day Trading. Highly suggest checking out both of those as well if you want to learn more about my overall strategy. So here's a link to The New Age of Day Trading. If you want to check it out, TikTok, The New Age of Day Trading, and then The New Age of Technical Analysis using this link right here. Oh my god, it's too long. Whatever. I'll just give you guys the first one. But yeah, The New Age Technical Analysis, New Age of Day Trading on Amazon. Your boy wrote both of them. But awesome. That is gonna wrap it up today. Everybody have a blessed day. I hope everybody's able to make money. Have an amazing weekend, and I will talk to everybody bright and early Monday morning. Peace out, everybody.